Hi guys, I'm going to explain you regarding SoftLayer add-on. SoftLayer add-on helps you to manage dedicated server purchased through SoftLayer directly from your WHMCS panel. Client can perform server related activities like suspend server, unsuspend server, reboot server, and can also see bandwidth utilization in his client area. Let me show you how we can use it. Go to your WHMCS admin panel and click on SoftLayer add-on. Settings section. Here you can give access permission to different WHMCS users role. Full administrator will have all the permissions, and you can this is visibility permission of each section of SoftLayer add-on. Click on member panel settings. Here you can set visibility permission for client in his client area. Suppose if you check server suspend, then client can see server suspend button in his client area. You can set server suspend, server unsuspend button, server reboot button, view bandwidth, view IP address, visibility in client area here. Now click on master settings. If you want to allow automatic suspension of server when payment is due, then you have to check this checkbox and click on update button. Log will show all the activities log which we have done in SoftLayer add-on. Like when we suspend a server, a log will be generated for this. Now see how it works in admin area. Go to product service pages of a client. You can see there is a text box where you can enter server ID of dedicated server. So how to get that server ID? Go to your SoftLayer control panel, click on the server in device list and check the URL. You can see like URL you can see in that screenshot. Here 12345 is server ID. Enter this server ID in your product or services page of a client and click on update button. Click on save changes button. It will automatically fill the information like above screenshot. It will show your dedicated server bandwidth usage, IP address, reverse DNS details, etc. You can also see suspend server, unsuspend server, reboot server buttons here, and you can perform these activities from these buttons directly from your WHMCS panel. How it works in client area? When client will be in his client area, he will click on services section and view details button. It will display manage server section in his information tab like the following screenshot. You can see it on screen. This manage server section will have commands like reboot, suspend, unsuspend. From these buttons he can directly reboot, suspend or unsuspend his dedicated server of SoftLayer. He can also see IP address and bandwidth usage of his dedicated server. So this is basic functionality of SoftLayer add-on. For more information regarding SoftLayer add-on, you can check our text documentation. Thanks.